welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna open my Boxycharm for the month of January 2022. If you want to know what I got this month, stay tuned. Okay, so let's see what I got this month. This is gonna be my first impression. I haven't opened the box yet and I don't remember any of the spoilers, so let's see. Let's open the box, and the first thing that I see is the theme for this month is refresh, I guess because it's a new year. So the first thing that I see is this item, DRAGUN Beauty. It's a lip job liner and sharpener. The retail price is $18. Let's see what it is, what it looks like. Okay, the color is 2.0. Okay, that's a very long eyeliner. Oh, it's a lip job liner. Okay. Okay. That's what it looks like. It's pretty. And I think it has something else in here. Let's see. Oh, okay. Here it comes with this sharpener. Oh, it opens. Cool, cool, cool. The next item is this lip gloss. This came in that really cool packaging. It is the lip QUIP. It retails for $14 and it's a moisturizing lip oil. That's the shade. Okay, and it smells really, really nice. It smells fruity. No, the shade is Come True. Okay, the next item here is this Liz Beauty. Okay, and this is a bronzer. Let's open it. Okay, that's very cute. I really love it. It's gold rose. Let's see inside. Really cute. I'm gonna wear it. I really like it. The shade is medium, Harmony medium. Okay, the next item here in the box is this right here. This retails for $59. It's a professional eyelid and dark circle corrector. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Okay, this is a big box just for this little package, this little item. So this is what this eyelid corrector looks like. This is the tip, so whenever you apply it to your eye, you do it like as a massage under your eye. It's really nice. I think I used one of these before, not the same brand, different brand, but if I remember correctly, it's really used to apply. You don't have to use a whole lot, just very little. When you squeeze it, just a little bit, and it's really easy to use. And last but not least, I got this Farmacy Feeling Good Acid Plumbing Serum. This one retails for $44, and this is what the serum looks like. I think we got this before, or something very similar, but it looks very familiar. I'm not mad about it because I really like the Farmacy products. They perform very well, and I don't mind getting skincare products, but it looks familiar. It might be something different, but let me know in the comments below if this is something that we have received in the past. I'm currently using this one product that we got in like 2 boxes ago, and I really like that product. So both of them are serums. Okay, they're different. So I'm gonna use this one as soon as I run out of the other one, but yeah, I'm not mad about it. Well, let's recap. So I got the serum, I got this lip liner, I got the bronzer, got these, oh, and I got the lips, this right here. So I'm gonna list the prices here below and let you know. I think it was an okay box. It was the base box. This is the theme again. Well, I'm very happy about the box. I'm not mad about it. I will use all the products, and yeah, let me know in the comments below, what do you think? Did you get what you wanted. I know I have seen a lot of people in social media complaining about not getting good products, but I'm always happy with what I receive. And well, thank you for watching. I hope you have a great year, and I will be posting more videos more often. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.